How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10. So the first thing you can do is go over to your Windows and click on this settings icon right here. And once you're on your Windows setting, go ahead and click on Network and Internet. So if you look over here, you'll see Network Troubleshooter. So what this will do is it will find what problem is causing your Wi-Fi not to show up. So go ahead and click on this and it will scan and find you a solution, and it will give you the option of try this repair, and go ahead and click apply this fix. So the next thing that you can do is go over to your search bar and type device manager. So go over here. So if you look over here, you'll see network adapters and click on this little arrow icon. And you'll see there are multiple adapters. Go ahead and click on the one that says wireless and right click on that. And you'll see there are different options. So what you want to do is, if yours is saying enable right here, go ahead and click enable device. If yours is saying disable device, go ahead and click disable device and then go out of it and then right click on it again and then click enable device. So if this still doesn't work for you, what you can do is go ahead and update driver and also go ahead and scan for hardware changes. So this is how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10.